Selling products online has become increasingly popular in recent years, and Amazon is one of the biggest players in the e-commerce world. Amazon has over 300 million active users, and with the ability to sell to such a large audience, it's no surprise that many entrepreneurs and businesses are turning to Amazon to sell their products. However, while there are many benefits to selling on Amazon, there are also some drawbacks that should be considered. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of selling on Amazon. Pros: access to a large audience. Amazon has over 300 million active users, and as a seller, you have the potential to reach a vast audience. This means that your products can be seen by people all over the world, which can help increase sales. Brand recognition. Amazon is a well-known and trusted brand, so when you sell on Amazon, you benefit from its reputation. Shoppers are more likely to buy from a seller on Amazon than an unknown seller on their own website. Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. FBA is a program where Amazon handles the storage, shipping, and customer service for your products. This means that you don't have to worry about storing inventory or dealing with customer complaints, which can save you time and money. Increased sales. Amazon offers various tools and features to help sellers increase sales, such as advertising, promotions, and the Buy Box. The Buy Box is a section on the product page that allows shoppers to add your product to their cart with just one click. Winning the Buy Box can significantly increase sales. Cons: fees. Amazon charges various fees, such as referral fees, fulfillment fees, and storage fees. These fees can add up and significantly impact your profit margins, especially if you're selling low-priced items. Competition. Amazon is a crowded marketplace, and it can be challenging to stand out from the competition. You may have to compete with other sellers who are selling the same or similar products as you, and you may have to lower your prices to remain competitive. Loss of control. When you sell on Amazon, you have to abide by their rules and regulations, which can limit your control over your business. For example, Amazon can suspend or close your account if they deem that you're not following their policies, which can have a significant impact on your business. Limited branding. Amazon provides limited branding opportunities for sellers. You can't customize your product pages, and you can only use a limited number of product images. This can make it challenging to differentiate your brand from others and limit your ability to showcase your products effectively. Selling on Amazon can be a great opportunity for entrepreneurs and businesses to reach a large audience, increase sales, and benefit from Amazon's reputation. However, there are also some drawbacks, such as fees, competition, loss of control, and limited branding opportunities. When deciding whether to sell on Amazon, it's essential to consider the pros and cons and evaluate how they align with your business goals and values. With careful consideration, you can make an informed decision that will benefit your business in the long run.